All right, guys. So it was my goal in creating these videos and this buyer guide to help you break down the entire purchase process into some more easily digestible chunks. And I hope I did that. So if you got value from these videos or my buyer guide, I would really appreciate the feedback. If you could hit the like button here or consider subscribing to my YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with videos that I make in the future. And while my goal was also to answer any questions that you may have had, I know it's entirely possible that we missed a couple. So if I didn't answer one of your questions, I would love if you could just reach out. You can reply to this email or you can click the link below to schedule a time for us to talk one-on-one. And I'd be happy to jump on a Zoom call or a phone call, or we could even meet at a coffee shop and chat face-to-face. Either way, guys, I think what I really want to convey to you is that I'm here to help. I've got a team of people behind me that make all of this possible, and I really do put an emphasis on relationships over transactions. And I believe that that's really what I love about this business. It's the people. It's working with people like you and helping you achieve your home goals. I'll tell you, there's nothing more satisfying to me than seeing the smile on a young couple's face at the closing table when they buy their first home and I hand them the keys. And there's almost this feeling of like, what's the word I'm looking for? They've been imagining that feeling for a while, and now it's happened. And I guess it just feels like you really helped a family. It feels like you helped someone. And I love that feeling. Or there's also the flip side where I'm working with an elderly seller and I'm kind of juggling working with her and with her 50-year-old son who's trying to get her to move in with him so that he can take care of mom. And she doesn't want to let go of her house, but we all know that that's kind of what needs to happen. And I developed this relationship with her where it's almost like I'm working with my grandma. And I go over to meet with her and she's got cookies and milk and, wants to sit and talk and ask me about my life. And the relationships that I build doing this job are relationships that I think I'll treasure forever. And I always hear this quote that it's easier for a client to become a friend than it is for a friend to become a client. And I can honestly say that that's true. I've had countless numbers of clients who have really cemented permanent places in my life. All right, guys, so that's all I've got for you. So if you're thinking about buying a home or if you're thinking about selling a home, because I work with sellers too, I'd love to connect with you, whether that's a month from now or 6 months from now or a year down the road. Reach out, connect with me, just say hey, or you can add me on Facebook or Instagram. I'd love to hear from you. And if you have questions, like I said earlier, that I didn't answer in these videos, go ahead and throw those out. You can drop them in the comments below or shoot me an email, or you can click that link down below and schedule a time to chat one-on-one. And until we meet, I hope you have a great day and we'll see you soon.